Hi friends, this is Nishmita and you are watching Fun Learning.
Welcome to our channel Fun Learning.
Today we are going to learn series. There are 4 types of series. First type is number series, alphabetical series, alphanumeric series and continuous pattern series. For making work easy, these 4 types are divided into 4 parts. Number series is one part, alphabetical series is one part, alphanumeric series is one part and continuous pattern series is one part. In today's video, we are going to learn number series. We will get at least 2 questions in any type of exam. First, let's go with the example. Here, the pattern followed in this number series is 3. If we double the number 3, we get 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. And if we divide 7, we get 14. 14 plus 1 is equals to 15. If we double 63, we get 126. Plus 1 is 127. Here the pattern followed is 15 into 2 plus 1 is equals to 31. Let's check. 31 into 2 plus 1 is equals to 63. Yes, it's correct. So the question mark is equals to 31. Triangular pattern series. Triangular pattern series means when we find the difference of a sequence of a series, another series forms, and if we check the difference of that series, another series forms. This series is called as triangular pattern series. We are going to find how to solve a problem which is using triangular pattern series. Let's go with it. If we subtract these both, we get If we subtract both these, we get 11. And if we subtract 27 and 39, we get 12. And if we subtract 51 and 39, we get 12 and question mark. And now, if we subtract 12 and 11, we get difference as 1. And if we subtract 12 and 12, we get 0. Now, we cannot add these all. We get 63. Arithmetic progression means in a series, when the difference is same, it's called as arithmetic progression. Suppose 3, 6, 9, so on. The difference is 3 and 3. It's a common difference, so it's called as arithmetic progression. The questions will be like find the 10th term, 9th term, and this is 3 is the A, and 6 is the A1, and 9 A1, and this is A2, like this. We have a formula to solve, that is A plus, the formula of this is A plus n minus 1 into D. D is the difference, 3 is the D here, and n is the 9th. A is, in this example, A is 3 and n is, suppose find the sixth term if they ask. 6 is the end. And D is the common difference. D is equals to 3 is the common difference, so 3. So let's find for this. A is 3 plus, and N is 6 minus 1. D is again 3 into 3. Let's find 3. So first, using board mass, first we should multiply. 5 3s is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. This is called arithmetic progression. And the sixth term is 18. Coming to geometric progression. In this, there is a common ratio. Like, how to find the common ratio? We should take this number into the denominator of 14. If we simplify, we get 2. And 2 is the common ratio. Suppose 7 into 2 is 14. 14 into 2 is 28. And they asked us to find the 10th term. For finding of the 10th term, here also we have a formula. That is AR by N minus 1. Here A is the first term. A is equals to 7. And R is the common ratio. R is 2. And N is, they asked to find which number? 10th number. So N is 10. So let's take them. A is 7. R is 2. And 10 minus 1. 7 into 2 and power 9. And 7 into 512. And if we multiply this, we get the answer 3584. The 10th term is equals to 3584 is our answer. Like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Fun Learning.